Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fix age restrictions on X using your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Click your profile icon in the top left corner of X, then head to your profile. Select Edit Profile, update your birth date to 18 or older, and hit Continue. Go back, click your profile icon again, scroll to Settings and Privacy, and choose Account. Select account information, then country, and set it to United States. Save the change. Next, open a VPN. You can find free VPN for me. I will use this VPN. Connect to a US server. Retry logging into X, and you should access all content. I can't show restricted stuff due to legal reasons, but it should work. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the age restriction on X. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.